Ron112 here, and I just got a video review today. This is actually the Zippo Deluxe hand warmer. You just put a Zippo lighter fluid or any lighter fluid and it heats your hand. Let's just quickly have a look at the box. Just give some images and where you can use it. Then it just says hand warmer operation instructions inside, and just the return address and the barcode. So here you have the lighter fluid jug, so you could refill the hand warmer. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be something small, but I guess not. So that's actually really big. Let's get into that later on. Then you get your instruction manual and your carrying case, and then there's nothing else left. So then let's go ahead and open this up. Actually really big, and obviously that's where the heat comes up from. Just put this on, then you put your hand over it. In comparison to something, this is my Samsung Galaxy S, and that's a Zippo lighter, and it's literally the same width, and it is pretty long. What can I say? Seems quite nice. And then to refill it, all you simply do is just take this off, then what you do, you get this. Then I actually have some lighter fluid here for a review. So you just take this off, put it into the jug, let's just get this on camera. Now it does actually have signals for where it's full. I can't really get it on camera. Right about there, it does say 1 full canister. Okay, so there you have your thing, and then what you do is just pour it in. Okay, I'll just put this back on when it's refilled. Alright, so now I have the item filled up, and obviously this is the top part and there's it under, and then all you do is get a lighter and light it. And it should ideally get the heater started. Then you're supposed to just put this back on, and then put it in the carrying bag. Yep, it is starting to get hotter. Just put it into the carry bag, tie the knot, and then your hands will get warmer. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.